it sparked my interest in a way that I wanted other people to be able to feel what it's like and almost see and feel how dance can actually impact you, not only like just as a dancer, but even in day-to-day lives.
Tungkol sa mga pangarap at creative processes ng isang part-time professional Filipina dancer ang proyektong Gabi. Tampok dito si Gabriel Tumaneng ng North Vancouver.
The beginning of this project actually happened last year, I would say beginning of March 2024. And there was a huge dance event, which is pretty well known across Canada as well, known as the Main Event, where select choreographers get to showcase their own creative piece on stage in front of a huge audience.
Pinili raw ng direktor na si Nia Poton si Tumaneng na maging bahagi ng kanyang dokumentaryo dahil sa kanyang enerhiya at husay sa pagsasayaw.
So I grew up as a dancer as well in North Van. I was mainly a competitive dancer, but then I joined a hip-hop group at Harvard Dance Center called the Weekend Warriors, and Gabby came as a guest teacher, and that's where I met her, and she just had this amazing vibes about her. She was so bright.
Makikita rin sa dokumentaryo ang mga pagsubok na hinaharap ng nasa creative arts industries ng Canada o mga taong gustong gawin full-time na karera ang pagsasayaw.
I think this pathway of pursuing a creative career is really tough because it's not an easy path at all, but just hold on, stick it through. Like all of the positive things are gonna come through, just stick it through.
Ayon sa direktor, sana raw sa pagtampok sa mga talento ng mga dancer katulad ni Tumaneng sa pelikula, magkaroon ang mga nasa dance industry sa Metro Vancouver ng dagdag plataforma para ipamalas ang kanilang dance skills.
A lot of movies currently or films currently are more, based on dialogue, drama, and like aren't as much focusing on the movement of people. And I think following and being able to, have a dancer as a lead rather than like a singer as a lead or something like that would be pretty cool to see as well.
Ito ang unang film festival para kay Director Poton na mag-aaral pa ng filmmaking sa New Zealand sa susunod na buwan. Ang mga pangarap naman ni Tumaneng?
But yes, more film projects, more visions coming to life, and just putting myself out there in a more artistic way.
Maaring mapanood ang 10 minutong dokumentaryo na Gabi sa Centennial Theatre sa North Vancouver sa Sabado, February 8. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.